That paper was just published, and first-line eribulin, and it was in HER2 negative patients, whether they were ER positive or ER negative, and the response rate was 29%. Clinical benefit rate was 52%. Responses were seen regardless of ER status, ER positive, ER negative, and median duration, the median progression-free survival was about 7 months, which is good. So that level of anti-tumor activity is in keeping with what we've seen with other, very effective agents in metastatic breast cancer. And the majority of those patients in that trial had previous treatment with taxanes, for example, again, showing a non-cross resistance with the eribulin. So it's the existing data we have for first-line metastatic showing a similar level of anti-tumor activity compared to our other standard agents.